I feel like it's been forever and ever since I streamed. But it's just been 3 days. I had to count on my fingers for that, so that's good. Hello, it's Rufio. Happy Thursday. I'm drinking cider today. Not actual apple cider, but like powder apple cider. It's pretty good though. And fucking hot. Alright. Delicious. Damn it. See this little, like, what's it called? Wrist thing? It's my sister's, and she was just here, and I should have given it to her, but I forgot. It's okay. Alright, so today we will be doing what we do every day that we stream, which is work on this update. This update route that is not working and has not for like 2 weeks, but that's fine. Whatever. We're working on it. We're getting better. Ow! It hurts when I hold this cup like that. All right. Ooh, I'll let that cool down. It's hot. Okay. Let's get to it. Let's go. Time on. I will admit I'm a little tired of this stupid route, but it's okay because it makes us learn when it doesn't work. So I downloaded ESLint. I think that was last stream actually. That was exciting. And now that I have, it's like, my God, what is wrong with you? These work, so it's okay. It's okay. And module isn't... It's fine. Alright, I think it is like... this one. Let's see why this isn't working. I can't even remember. Do this. Closed 8,000. That's what happens when you're not paying that close of attention. Okay, I don't remember what was up, so let's use our favorite entry. Yep. Cool. I think there was something up with the audio. So it's getting yup. We're console logging it, but it's not working because it hates us. Let's try this again. I used to never use this. Because of y'all, I have learned to use it. It's very exciting. This thing, I think, is what we're doing, yeah? Cached. Keep alive. That's not that helpful for me, actually. So. We're grabbing the name under rec.params ID. It's worked in the past, so I think it's probably working here. It's just also not working. We're getting the body and the input. And we have a whole bunch of code here that is just Cloudinary stuff. Here we go, though. So we've tried several things with Mongoose. We've tried update 1, find and update. And then we tried to use like .save and .overwrite. And now we're trying find by ID and update. So. Name is defined up here again. So we're grabbing it by the name. We're giving it what it needs to replace it with. And that's the end of the Cloudinary uploader. I wonder if that has to do with it. You think? Maybe. If Cloudinary upload. What if we just close this? Let's get rid of this one. It did like it. But I didn't really change anything much. I just changed one thing. So why would it... Well, you see this changed now. Do you remember when it was blue? It's not, so that's good. I don't know why just changing that parentheses would break it like this. Because this is saying to us, wait, this is why I think. Do you think we need this to be in the, everything to be under the Cloudinary code? What if we closed the Cloudinary code? 86, y'all. Right here. 86, 86, 86. 80, oh. 86. It's breaking it. So now it doesn't like that this is here. Do you remember when we fixed that and then it didn't fix? Fine. Fine, we'll go back to the way it was. I think we're there now. Yes. Why? Why does this need to be in this if? I'm gonna look at this one. Oops, oops. There you go, Eastlyn. You like that? Alright, so in this one, remember how we go... So that's why I did it, because it's holding everything anyways. But look, I made this a whole object. Curious. And this is not a whole object now. So what if we did that? Hey, Edaz. Long time no see. How you doing? Okay. It didn't hate it. That's good. Alright. Well. Doing just fine. Had a lot this week, but things are... Hey, Zaz, thanks for following. So I'm blind. That's why I had to go so close like that. I had a lot this week, but things are slowing down finally. You done with your finals now? I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm a little frustrated that I haven't gotten this route to work, but besides that, I'm good. And it's almost the end of another week, and I feel like that's a little crazy. Tasty. Alright. Oh, it broke. It broke. When we did that, it started beefing with audio again. Time does fly by. It's interesting. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't been coding that much in the last week. I've been helping my dad at his business, but it's good to be back. Wait, I feel like the way I'm drinking this is weird. Here's a handle, right? I'm like doing that instead of like this, you know? Alright. I don't know why it's beefing with audio again. It's fucking dumb. Remember that one. Rec.files.audio. I think we needed the files. But what if we did body? Look at that body. You only need to drink from it. If it works, it works. Don't worry about it. Well, thank you. I think it's because I have this mic here and I bonk it all the time. And maybe if I drink it from like this corner, it's like away from the mic, you know? I feel like I need the files. But we're about to find out. Well, it didn't like that. Now it doesn't like our file MIME type. That's what I have to say. And we looked this up and it meant something and I can't remember what it meant. What is a MIME type? I feel like we're gonna have to put the files back in there. Ayana.
Okay, I'm gonna switch to...
Audio. Wait. Audio? Watch me just like be breaking everything. Oh, it didn't like that. You're not defined. Oh, it's because I... Okay. Alright.
I'm not trying to tell you all the way.
I don't think this is gonna work. It's okay. I was telling my sister who's learning how to code the other day. She was like, what about this thing or that thing? I was like, well, just fuck around and see. And I feel like that's a really good, like theme to coding. Fuck around and see. Like, that didn't fucking work. It doesn't even care what audio is. It wants MIME type back. Right, well, good, I guess. But you... Did I put that? No way. No, it says MP3. I was just saying, no fucking way. I copied this from code that did work, so I would have been really surprised if it said that. Let's go look at the code that did work. Unless you guys want to look at that for a little bit. I don't know what's up, because, like, this part is copied from code that works. So... Except I did change this from to, it used to be new file name, so maybe I should change it back. But it wasn't working, so maybe not. See how it says new file name here? New file name. File.mime type. Maybe we'll change it back. Fuck around and see. New file name. Okay, well.
Wait.
It didn't hate it. It's interesting. It's interesting. Nice, nice, nice. But it's also not working, so that's good as well. It could be. I'm using ESLint. So, like, I don't think it is, but it could be. Like, if we follow that one, friend, this one's friend is that one. Those match, these match.
Oh, thank you.
Line 39. Oh, yes, hi. Hi, Meist. 59, 59. Wait, what's wrong with line 59? This one might be missing this one's friend? Wait, can I do that using ESLint? I'm very new to it. Can I, like, type in something and check it? That would be cool. And I have to take this sweater off, y'all. I'm drinking a hot drink. And it's just a lot. It's a lot. Whew. That's what I have to say. Yeah, so... It does, but it's also not working. Yeah, me neither. I don't know either. That's why we've been working on this for 2 weeks. What do you prefer to use, Meist? Alright. That's done. Focus. Well, not JavaScript for sure. JavaScript is all I know at this point, so I'm kind of stuck with it. Though, I might be learning something new soon. In our in the Discord, we're gonna do a collaboration project, and I don't think we're using. Well, we're using Node actually, so we are using JavaScript. JK, it's fine. I'll be using new technologies though. So I made this an object because that's what it was like down here. But I don't know if I needed to do that because it didn't really change anything. So. Oh. 1 second. There you go. Well, I just changed it back to new. Whoa. Whoa. I just changed it back to new file name and. Which is what it is down here. New file name, remember? And I think it should be that because of this cloudinary stuff's rec.files.audio, rec.files.audio. Wait, where did it say that? Yes, there we go. And we know it's getting the new input. We know it. It just won't update the entry. Chapstick time. Araz just finished their finals, right? Very exciting. You know, it's not exciting. The fact that this is not working. It's fine. I'm not bitter. Async rec res made this a whole different object, which I'm gonna do that. Let file, grab it at an array, says is an array, rect files of audio, get the first one out of the array, saying if it's, maybe what I should do is I should look into Cloudinary documentation a little more, because I don't know, like once it populates a page, like it gets it from Cloudinary, so like I am getting, like I'm posting, but I'm also getting, so like how does that work? How does that work? Let's look in Word page. Word and audio. We get it through the URL. Yep. And have it as a source. Through the URL where we say process.env cloudinary cloud name video upload. Number. Audio uploads. Which is a folder. Search query results. Audio. Input. Did y'all hear the red-tailed hawk in the background there? Awesome. I wonder if something like this is something I need to do in the update request somehow. Request cloud in there. Cloud in there. Too small. Via the UI. Wrong. The explicit method with the public ID. This seems important. Let's try and understand this. Fetch and validate true. Upload. Explicit. And then we could get the URL of it, right? Which we got from that last thing. Well, wouldn't... Because we are confused. We can try this though. What if we try this explicit method? Oops. Ooh. 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 This seems like it was a good choice of direction. Eagerly generate transformations. Ooh. Wait, is this the thing I was just on? Maybe it is.
Do you want to reset from here, or do you want
It was not. Updating already. I'm pleased. I'm pleased with this change in direction. I'm hopeful that we'll get this shit to work. Uses the eager parameter. The eager parameter? Sorry. To generate these transformations, the explicit method uses the eager parameter to define the list of transformations to create for the uploaded asset of a specified public ID. Well, I did not understand any of that, did you? Defining a list of transformations to create for the uploaded asset of a specified public ID. Accepts a single transformation or an array of transformations where each transformation is represented by a hash of parameters to create. What? Hash of parameters? What does that mean? Explicit method can also be used in client-side code. Ooh, I like this song. Requires the signature to be generated. Yo, I know you. Welcome to my stream. Also, what are you saying nope to? Can I tell people who you are, Reedy? Alright, it's break time. It's a good thing too, because I don't know what we're doing here. But it's okay. We're feeling positively about this development. Remember how I said that like 3 times? A stretch. I don't know why, but I yawn so much when I'm on stream. Also, my nose gets really itchy, and though it is not right now, you bet that it will later. Alright, everyone look away from the screen for 20 seconds starting at 4:20. Ready, set, and go. Welcome to the semi-daily occurrence of staring at my wall. It's really exciting. I have a little hook here above my head. I could hang something there, maybe. I wonder what? What did they have it here for in the first place? That was definitely 20 seconds, so that's good. What is everyone up to? There we go. Oh, I need to put in my ad drops. And I just adjusted the headphones, but unless I want them to fall, I need to move them again. I am doing this eye dropping thing because I got eye surgery, and so my eye sight has not been the greatest for the past month. Araz, did you see the message in the Discord? I finally got back to everyone after over a week regarding scheduling a first meeting for that briefing project. Also, if the rest of y'all want to join the project, check the collaboration channel in the Discord. Also, what is everyone's opinion on Discord? I hate it. Which is fine. I don't know how I'd make it better though, so. You don't use it much? What do you use instead? Do you use Slack? Slack is similar. Which one came first though? I think Slack, right? I imagine it would be fun if you had like a friend group or something. I don't know. I don't know. Or like, yeah, I don't know. Discord. Sometimes I'm like, I want to work at Discord. I'm like, but what if they see all these videos where like, I'm just like, I hate Discord. You don't use stuff? Oh, interesting. Okay. Wait, do you have a job in software engineering or coding related? Because don't you need to use that sort of thing if you do, or if you're working remotely or something like that? Or something. Who knows? You're forced to use Slack. You said you didn't use stuff, though. Oh, Microsoft Teams. I don't know anything about that. I did do one... What's it called? One meeting with it, and I had never used it. Not by choice. And then I was confused, and then I was late to the meeting. And I was like, sorry, I've never used this before. And they're like, you good. It was nice. It was a good time. My little cordy thing is all wrapped up on my armrests. Alright, we got about 30 seconds before we go bang our heads against a wall. It's exciting. It's very exciting. I really do like synthwave. That's what we're listening to right now. I think it's good background music. You once had trouble with mics on MS Teams and you're clicking on a button. Didn't know what it was. I feel that. Also, I will randomly just like mute my mic on my whole computer somehow, and I'm not sure how, but I have figured out how to fix it. It's weird. Alright. My host said, dude, you're requesting access to my desktop. Lol. Woof. Hey there. Thanks for the follow. Sorry for having to go so close. Alright. Let's look at this. Updating the metadata parameters stored with the image, such as custom coordinates, face coordinates, tags, etc. Invalidate. That was what the other one said. Invalidating cache copies of a media asset. Ooh. On the CDN. You can also use the update details of an existing resource method. Well, why would they do two different ways, silly? Rate limited. Huh. It doesn't have like an error in the console. It just isn't working. That's what's up. How do you want me to say it? It looks like it's German. Should I say der? Is it German? Because then it would be a V sound, right? Dervik Lichtesimmel. I'll call you what you want me to call you. I want to be respectful to people. All right. Thank you. I don't think I said it right, but what should I call you? Should I say Dervik? Is that right? No, that was wrong. Dervik. Dervert. Dervik. Semmel? Okay. Am I saying that right though? Is it Semmel or Semmel? Wait, is that what it means? The real Semmel? Huh. Interesting. Anyway. Oh, interesting. Alright, well, I'll call you that. It doesn't have a specific, like, error, but I'm trying to do an update route on mongoose/node. And it's just not working. Like, if we go back here, and we try and do this. Wait a second, let me go back. So here's the original entry, right? And we say, yes, queen. And we give it an audio or whatever, and then we submit the query. And then it's like, for like ever. And it doesn't give us an error. It's giving us a console log of the word input. So like we know it's grabbing that, but it's just isn't working. So yeah. If y'all want the code for this, let me grab it for you. It will be slightly different than my code because I've already messed with mine a little bit today. But you can look at it in more depth. There's an if for the audio part. Let's look. Yes, if there is audio. Oh my goodness, that would make sense for why this doesn't work if I don't put in an audio component. Yes, if that includes it, but then also I think this, oh no it is, it's just saying if it is a .wav file or a .mp3 file and it has it, then do this. I guess that's what it's saying, I think. Did I write this code? Yes. Alright, let's look at this thing. Which one are we reading? This one, I think. Explicit API method also requires specifying the type of resource. Upload, private, authenticated. How funny is it that it's called eager? Alright. So what would I console log? The console log the MIME type or what? Oh, do you remember when I said my nose got itchy on stream? It's here. The itchy nose is here. So that's good. We would just put it here though? Or what? Oh, if this runs, then all this runs. That makes sense why this wouldn't work without having that component. Let's do it. Do it. Console.log. This array. Oh, the file name? Oh, I don't know, I did that. Good for me. Where's my brain? Go back. Do this again. Yes, queen. So it is grabbing the, I think it's the cloudinary thingamajigger, but also like the time, I guess, right? Is that what you wanted me to do? Okay. So it's returning something. I feel like I need to have on this page now, like, required to put in a new audio file. All right. So it grabs the new file name, then it is waiting for Cloud9 to upload it. I remember that this did something, and I'm not exactly sure. I don't think it does anything like overly important, like important enough that it's here, but like I think we're good not super looking at that. It's saying more stuff about where it's going, what its ID is, and then it's supposed to run this async await sort of thing. So then we grab the model entry, we use the find by ID and update. We're getting this ID from the name from up here from rec.params ID, and I know that works. I guess we could console log it though, huh? I know it works because it's worked in another one. What if we try it? Oh dear. Never mind. JK, is this the issue here? Hmm. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, this does appear to be a problem. It's not actually returning anything. But when we fill this form out with this get request, we have name equal rec.params ID, right? And then we set the underscore ID open to name, and it works here, which is why I thought that it worked in the one below. So I wonder why it wouldn't work here. Isn't that weird? I feel like that's weird. What's different about this one? Then data. Render it. Render the data. I can, but I have really shitty vision, so I will have to go really close to my computer to see it, which is why it's so big. But like I can if you want me to. Data. But again, in the link I posted in the chat, you could see it, and it could be smaller if you want. It probably would be smaller actually. So try, because this one we do it again here to get the ID. We do the, wait a second. So this is just to get it, and it works here again. Why does it work here? Why wouldn't it work here if it works everywhere else? Or maybe it's because I put it inside this object. I'm curious now. Let's try this for a second. Nope, that did not change anything. So that's good. Why is this? All right. We're gonna try this in some of the other places that we have it. So if we go back, see it has it here in the above one, or in this one. But not in this one. I wonder if it's because I didn't use the explicit thing with the cloudinary. Maybe I should keep going on that train of thought. Alright, done yawning. Yeah, try this. Oh, this is... There we go. Deleting assets. Toggling. Well, what about just... I wonder if it would be deleting though. I'll put this one again. So I do the uploader explicit. Then they grab that URL. By calling the destroy method and setting invalidate is true. So maybe we do need to look up the destroy method, huh? Ooh. This is a destroy, but we don't want to like destroy it. We want to update it. That will be nice to know for our delete route if we ever get there. How to update an already fetched image. Alright. I'm just gonna copy this so that if I want to go back to how it was before I messed everything up, I can. Now let's mess everything up. So they use the Cloudinary uploader explicit. Cool. Now what? Calling the explicit method. Ugh. Let me look it up, darlings. Explicit. Public ID. Options. I was gonna say opinions. Options and callback. So we need to grab the public ID. How should we do that? This seems like a important thing. Type. Delivery type. Resource type. Oh, that's what we're doing here. Oh, look, that's what we're doing here. Remember, eager again is a list of transformations to create the uploaded asset instead of lazily creating them when first accessed by your site's visitors. Lazy. The gall. Can you believe them? See the transformation URL API for more details on possible values. Eager async. We could do that. Overwrite. Ooh, that seems useful. When applying eager for already existing video transformations, which is what we are used. No, JK, we're not. I lied. Maybe it would be useful still, this overwrite thing. Invalidate default is false, but it means whether to invalidate the asset and all its derived resources on the CDN. Context string, a pipe. I guess if I'm not gonna type anything, y'all can look at this with me. I lost it, so that's good. What the hell did I just do? This is where I was. A pipe separated list of the key value pairs. I got cold, y'all. Hold up. How hard is a jacket to put on? What is up with the sleeve? Alright. Alright. Now that we're warm, we can move forward with our lives. Pipe separated list of the key value pairs of contextual metadata to attach to an uploaded asset. What? A pipe's separated list of the key value pairs of contextual metadata to to attach to an uploaded asset. I think I kind of understand that, but like not crazy well. Ooh. Alt my image, caption, profile image. Metadata is a pipe-separated list of custom metadata fields by external ID. Okay, so let's just find out how to get the ID, because that was the big problem, wasn't it? That was the big problem. So how did we do that when we populated this page? That is something we can find out, right? Right, it was above, remember that? But we just use rec.params.id. Okay, but we never actually populated it with the audio file, unfortunately. We had to upload it twice, so that's probably something we need to change as well. So if we go here again, edit word.ejs, it is this one. Audio button. I think I don't need that, but let me get result.audio input. I think this is the thing we need. What do you think? What if we put it at the top here? Oops, sorry. Let download URL equals that. And then, hold up, that was wrong, y'all. Down here, let download URL equals. Right. We're fantastic. Now that we have that, we put it right here. Oh my god, we are so fancy. Oh shit, we are not. It hates it. Oh wait, what? Where? Why? That's why. Alright, what next? Let's move forward. What next? What next? What next? It says options, so public ID, options, and callback. We have to tell what type it is, which is this one. We have to say if it's a signed request. What's the signed request? Resource. Oh no, resource type is actually optional. So they have the URL and then they have this one where they say type. Wait, it was doing a nice question mark. Type, fetch, also validate True. What? Okay. Then they have function, result. Function, result, and then it does some stuffs. Huh. So here they say explicit public ID options callback.
Okay.
And this is where I was like signature and type. Oh, I should probably look at that. Fetch. The default delivery type for uploaded assets in most cases. This delivery type indicates that the asset is publicly available. The break time. I actually feel like I really need this break. I need to get like some food in my stomach, and my stomach says like that. I don't have that much time though, so we're bringing the bird. Hello. We're bringing the time. I will be back with my bread. So I'll see you soon. I will see you soon. Alright, I'm back. I'm not done with my bread, but you know, it's fine. I hope you guys don't mind me eating and also doing some stuffs. Also, the thing is, Samuel, is an Indian ringneck. That is that bird. They are such funky birds. If you see them on social media, they always go, "Mwah! Give me a kiss." Yes, they can talk. Like every single video you see of them, they'll go like this. They'll go up to the camera and they'll go, "Mwah! Mwah! Give me a kiss," something like that. Like I don't know why all of their owners teach them that. They're very funky. Wait, I'm gonna show us a brief video of this. Alright, y'all. You ready for this? Let me turn off our background music for a second. We'll turn up the sounds. They aren't. You hear it? This is a Quaker right next to it. Macaw. What you doing? There you go. I always do that. Give me a kiss? Something like that. There are more. I like how the Quakers just are like, or this one.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Give me a kiss.
Wow. Alright. Anyway, that's an Indian ringneck for you. Meister, do you know about parrots? You know what is a really good talking parrot? Parakeets. Wow. Hey Rom, thanks for following. African greys, but also parakeets. African greys are the typical amazing ones. But parakeets. The little birds that don't do anything with their lives. Parrots. Little parrots. Anyway. We can watch more bird videos next break, huh? I'm always down. Always. Hey, Master, thanks for following. Alright, let's turn back on the sweet, sweet melodies. Remember, we were looking at this. Yep. Well, I'm gonna leave it as fetch, but we'll keep this upload in mind, won't we? Example. Example of what? What? What are we looking at? Does anyone remember? Who knew getting bread would be so disruptive? Upload explicit. Yeah. That's what we were doing. Don't worry, y'all. I have more bread. I think we already have this open, right? Well, yes, but also... Did we look at it on that one? I think I got distracted or something. I remember reading this. I'm gonna read it again. I don't know what it's saying to me. Okay, we have to use the eager parameter. But what do we put in it? I'm sorry for the bonk. I'll eat it this way. Wait, we looked at this. I remember just reading this. Didn't I? I remember reading this and being like, what? What's a good time in my life? Alright. We see this? So how do we implement this? We got this happening, right? If we put that in and just like say goodbye to some of this, or maybe not. Maybe we shouldn't. I don't know. And then have this after it? I don't know. We'll try it. Put the bread down. Alright. So it says type fetch, invalidate true. Oh. And then eager. And then array. Cool. What do we put in it? Bro. What are we eager for? What are the parameters? What is it? Eager, string, list of transformations, the transformation URL API reference. That seems to be a good thing, right? Y'all, they are super excited about this totally revamped version of the URL transformation reference. Whoa, whoa. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Where? What? Is this useful to us? I don't think so. Maybe this one? No? Not? We had that, remember? If directive. Well, how come this one doesn't put any of this eager stuff? They just do this. Where they console log the result? So they do that, they close it. Then they do... I wonder if we need this one. I wonder if it will mess stuff up if it's here. Maybe we'll just gray it out. But I think that will mess with this stuff, right? And our URL was file name, video upload, search. Oh. This I think will be an issue. Because we don't have this in this file, so it's gonna be like, what the hell are you talking about? It will be like that. Maybe. Right? Maybe. So like, where else? Like after this, like that is logging the download URL or what? All right. Inside all the if statements. But there's only one if statement before the upload. I'm just trying to conceptualize what it is I'm even trying to do with this new stuff. Code. Like, how does it... Like, do I keep this stuff? Does anything really change, or do we just throw that in? It's not breaking anymore. But it's still not getting the rect up Pram's ID if we remember that it was like, I don't know what you're talking about, Willis. And we didn't know why. Why it wasn't working. Where did I put this page? There it is. Still undefined. And then... Whoa. I broke it. Because that isn't the NPM package stuff. That's not code I wrote. That's cloudinary. Why would it be getting rect.parameter ID here and not here? Oh, we know it is getting it because I told it to, and it was like... I mean, maybe, but when I did rec.body.word input, it knew what it was. Which is weird as well. Like if we try and do this again. Oops. Maybe it's because it's like in the params instead of body. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. Because so maybe if I say rec.body.id, what if we try that? Still undefined. But it is getting yes, queen. Because each entry in the dictionary has these things. It has the word, audio, phonetic, grammatical, translation, and example input. But they also all have IDs added to them. So how do I tap into the ID that they have but I didn't define but that it defined? Hey homeless, what's up? It is. Do you remember how we've been working on this for 2 weeks? This was not a very good query, was it? How about that? How about that? You like that, really? Find by ID and update. The idea was we got the ID here, it populated the page, and then we could just enter and it would just do the thing it wanted. It would do it. But then maybe I shouldn't grab by ID, but then if I don't grab by ID, then how am I grabbing that specific thing? Maybe if I do find one and update, which is what I tried to do initially when I did this. I don't feel like that would define params, but maybe it would. They are, well, okay, never mind. Let's check. Let's say params, right? So it's empty, an empty object. So it is not defined, it seems. I need to look more into this. Wait, I wanted that. I wanted to go back here. Okay. So we have, this is the parameter as far as I understand, and this is the query. Wait, it's after the question mark? JK, they both appear to be params. Those parameters out of the request. But, like, shouldn't it be working since we can see the parameters here? And this is the page from which we are working?
Do that.
If you have the root / user name, so could we do ID? Break that params ID. Alright, break time. Ugh. Hmm. Oh, we were gonna watch bird videos. Y'all remember that? When we were gonna do that? We were gonna watch some parrots talking. Shout out to Meister. African Grays in the house. Have you guys heard this bird? This one?
Alexa, what day?
You hear it?
It's 10:46 p.m. Alexa, all lights off. Okay. I like a 9. I love you, bye-bye. Alexa, all lights off. Okay.
Like how it's startled when it works.
Alexa, all lights off. Sorry, I didn't find a device named All Lights Bird. Alexa, all lights off.
Come on, Alexa. Rude.
I like a 9. Alexa, tell me about Alexa. Alexa is a female form of Alexander and is sometimes also a short
I like
form
how
of Alexander.
it finishes
both of
this
which
human
come
talking
from
with
the
a
Greek
beep.
Alexandros, which can be translated as defender of man. As for me, I'm named for the Library of Alexandria, which stored the knowledge of the ancient world. Good girl. Scratch, 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 scratch.
Scratch,
I went scratch, scratch. Alexa, tell light off. I like a 9. I don't know that.
Beep.
Go, stop.
Oh, we're about there, huh? What'd y'all think about that? So, I'm not the biggest fan of dogs or cats. Don't hate me, but I'm not. And you wonder why, and it's because birds can do things like this. Like, does your dog talk to you in human speak? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this one's name is Petra. It's a smart bird. You can. Also, hey Essex. You just give it scratches like this. I'm gonna scratch it. And then sometimes like you see them hiding in people's hoodies and stuff. Like I guess you can't like put your arms around it, but you can cuddle it. But also I'm not a cuddly person, so maybe that's why I don't think it's a problem. Also, definitely have showed this multiple times already, but parakeets who can talk. Finally, you just submitted the last project of the semester. You can officially hit the Kotlin or Kotlin language. Woof. Congratulations, though. Look at this. I'm just saying some words.
Come on, Disco. Come on. Come on, Disco. Come on.
If you say that, see, look.
Come on, Disco. Come on.
That's how I always call him.
But Dad, I want to play Minecraft.
Come on, let the bird talk. I know, we're listening to a bird.
There.
Well, they are not being helpful. Okay, so the bird copies them. Okay, we are gonna move forward, but like, hold up. promise the bird talks.
This little baby bird, little baby birdie. Disco, meet the disco. He's a dabba-doo bird, a dabba-dang bird. Beep, 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 boop, beep. Yeah, kite, word, bird, bird. Beep, 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 bird, bird, bird. Would you call me dance? I'm not with the disco. What did Mama say? Gonna get that daddy. Gonna get that daddy. Gonna get that daddy. Go to the baby bird. Baby bird.
Baby bird.
Disco. What a pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird. What a baby bird. Baby sleepy bird. Oh, my cat. Meow, meow, meow. Say baby bird. Nobody puts baby bird in a corner. Never say a baby bird. Nobody puts baby bird in a corner. Never say a baby bird. A disco. Meet the disco. He's a dabba-doo bird. Disco.
The difference between African greys and the rest is that African greys learn the meanings rather than the sounds. Others only learn the sounds. I would say yes, but also no. Like, I think some of the other birds do understand what's up. And I can show you more bird videos if you want, but also, like, if you're like, go code, then I will. But, like, I have a cockatoo video where the cockatoo very clearly understands what it's saying, or, like, more or less what it's saying. We aren't any further with the dictionary at us. We're in the same place. It's fine. We found out that we don't know what recta params is, though. So. Anyway, I'm happy to show you my favorite bird videos, which are ones that where the cockatoo understands the words. But you're right, like, bigger parrots are generally more intelligent than the smaller ones, you know? But the fact that any of them can mimic is pretty amazing. And at the same time, like, we listened to the African Grey, and it's, like, mimicked a lot more clearly, like the voice, where this one is just doing its own, like, it mimics intonations, but that's about it. So anyway, all right, so we don't know what recta params is. But we were looking at the URL, and these are the params. So wouldn't it have access to those? But clearly not, because it's not doing... Oh, we need to start this. It's not doing that. I just am not sure. In my water. Hey, Meister, thanks for helping. I appreciate seeing you here. Alright. Drinking water. Okay, but, like, why wouldn't it have the parameters? Does anyone know? Sorry. Okay. Because it said we did recta params and it returned an empty object. But we don't have this. I don't know if that matters. But then regardless, it's grabbing rec.params.name. Well, that's interesting. I've never seen anyone do that before. So it works here. It gets the parameters here. And this is the page we're working from. You say find one and update, huh? So that's the body. But there are no parameters. And this is not a thing. It's empty. Why is it empty? I don't know. I don't know why we can't get rec.params. Because if we could, I feel like everything else would work. But I am not sure. Don't quote me on that. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to move to something else. And, I don't know. Maybe my brain will somehow figure this out, and we'll try again next time. So, getting rec.params. Okay, leaving that there. Let's move to a different part of this, because that's all I have to say about that. Cool. So, would you guys rather us work on a delete route, or should we go front end? Because this is, it's not great looking, and we need to work on the, oh, hello, responsiveness. Do you see this? Like, that's not great, even though it does appear that I fixed it, but not, like, smoothly enough. And then right there it breaks, but then it fixes there. Breaks there, but also fix. I'm just a little off or something, aren't I, huh? And then that's just straight up broken. So, and it is absolutely not formatted for mobile, so that would be another good thing too. Maybe we'll work on that, since this is a little frustrating. So, let us find the breakpoints. You can go away. So this looks fine. It's not like smooth, but you know. $9.89. We're just gonna close all these. $9.89. Public, CSS. This one, I think. So, I hadn't done this in forever and didn't do min width. Can anyone explain to me how I would incorporate min width? Or would I just say min width is like 1521, for example? Thoughts, anyone? Probably, right? But then isn't that redundant? I don't know. I don't know. Hey, look. This is the thing, the one that we were like, you're broken. Okay, we need to split our screen. Like this or something. And zoom this out so we can see both of these. So, I probably need to just go live, honestly, instead of have the live server or the... Because I was trying to make it responsive. Am I not supposed to? I thought I was to make it responsive. Granted, I haven't really done front end in a while, so probably many issues. No? I thought this is how you did responsiveness. How do you suggest that as? Let me know. I feel like this should change if I do some stuffs. And so how do you normally do responsive designs, if that is the case? Close all of these. Haha, lol, whoops. I mean, I do have Flex that I'm using, and I think I did originally format the nav bar with Flex. See, display Flex, align items center, but even having that, it still had issues and wasn't being that great. He didn't have you just do it at the breakpoints, S6? Because when we did it, he talked about how you shouldn't do it at like predetermined breakpoints. You should do it at like whenever it broke. But again, it's been a long time since I learned this, so. It's a little different than what we did. It's interesting. But like I did use flex. Like it's here. Flex, flex, flex. But like if I... You'll have to let me know. If I comment out all of the media queries, in theory... Bruh. Hello? I don't know if I can do this like this. Oops. No is the answer to that. Okay. Well, if that's the case, we'll just temporarily cut it. And then y'all can see. Didn't I have it open somewhere? Where is it? Hello? Ah, right. I kept opening it from the wrong place. That's what's up. Okay, hold up. Bruh. Wow. Okay, what did you say? That's the normal way to go about it, but when we're learning in uni now is to use only when needed, and mostly is only one. You just change the menu to burger menu for mobiles. But like, I do use it when needed. I was gonna try and show you, but it's being fucking dumb. And I'm feeling grumpy at it. Alright, y'all. What the heck? What the heckaroonie? Oh, right. Never mind. Alright. JK, LOL, smiley face. It's because I'm using EJS. I can't open EJS in the web page, so in the web server, whatever it's called. It wasn't working. Alright, y'all. So, for example, so I commented out all of the media queries, right? But you see this? Breaks. Breaking. But these are using flex. That is also using flex, but like, I don't know what. So like, seeing what the nav bar is doing here, what do you suggest that I do instead of media queries? Why is it so zoomed out? Oh, even better, y'all. I designed it on this screen, so it's a 27-inch screen. I don't think so. I mean, things like that. And a margin right. Padding. Maybe that's why. Just get rid of all of that. Alright. What do you suggest then? I mean, that's what happens when it's not on the right. I think I did space around. Wait, or did I just comment that out? That's just the H1. That does look a little better. Hey, Hidden Intruder, what's up? Let me check it out. What is it? Hey, you actually shared this band with me. Right, I didn't play it. I listened to a bunch of them. You want to see the styling? Is that what you're saying? Alright, S6, have fun learning JavaScript? Thank you. Like right here it breaks. Although it is looking a lot better than it was before. TBH. But then like... whatever this is. Anyway. Right. I forgot to put in eye drops, y'all. Eye drop time. Perfect. As for the actual CSS I have here for the LIs, I'll just cut that part out. Hello? We have the margin right, space between, and then we have some padding up in here. Which, if we comment that out, looks like that. Just on the LI elements. Wait, but it looks ugly if it's like this. But it looks so ugly. Look at it. I had it that way because it looked good. Well, what if I wanted to take more space like that much space? So like, I mean, it looks nice, except it's all shoved into a corner. And I don't want it to be shoved into a corner. Granted, it looks better like that, but like, my screen is generally pretty big, but even so, I feel like it should have more space than that. Hold up. You give it a div that is aligned to the right with 40% width. Alright, I'll listen to it later. Hidden Intruder. I don't think. Oh, it's Maroon 5. Oh. Right. Well, they don't want me to earn money off of their copyrighted material. That's what's up. You give it a div that is aligned to the right with 40% width. How are you so good at coding? I've been doing this for a while. Why am I not better at this? It's okay. Except where you are in the journey, right? So I have the nav bar. Wouldn't I just have the UL to the right since I don't want the whole nav to be to the right? Wouldn't it just be the UL? With 40% width. BS. BS. You are good at coding. If you can say these things just looking at it, I would say that's talented. And know what to write. So we would just say flex end, maybe. And then width is 40%. But can you hack Facebook? You're just going down, was that me? Hey, don't call me out like that. I mean, I will neither confirm nor deny my skills in that area. Oh, Lord. What was I doing? I forgot. I was looking at the UL. Wait, if we go bigger. You? Yes, I know. Kinda in 2016, you built a tool that can shut down any account with a click. But we won't talk about it. Wait, did you actually though? Cause that's bomb. I definitely hacked all of Facebook before in my life. So it appears to be doing it, but the UL is no longer. Adaz, you can't say stuff like that because Hidden Intruder thinks I actually can hack Facebook. What ho? Bro, why you always gotta be right? How come I didn't think about this at all? See what that's like. Nothing. Zero change. Look at them. They're so close together now. But you're right. That is looking a lot better. Can you delete TikTok? Hood Intruder, when are you gonna join the coding family? When are you gonna try it out? So then I would do, with all that done, I would do one media query right here, right? doesn't work anymore. They improved the code. Oh, interesting. How long have you been coding on ours? At least, I can say words. At least 6 years. Also, why is this looking so weird? Why is home so much chunkier than the rest of them? Isn't that weird? That's weird. It is hard. It's not appealing to you at all. Basically, you study the site and find a point that you can use. I found a form that you kind of wrote a code that spammed submitting it 20 times at the same time. The system thought it was 20 people in a short time, thought it was a bad account, and deleted it. Wow. Maybe I'll hit some point in my life when I can make things like that. Because look, they don't have space there anymore, which maybe I should bring this one back. They aren't really doing it anymore, are they? How weird is this? How weird is this? This is weird. Right? Pretty weird. Pretty weird. Sure, if you said TikTok, you can find a way to do bad stuff. It's simple stuff, really, but you enjoy it. Go into cybersecurity. Oh, ethical hacking. There you go. Wow. Wow. Home, what the hell? So weird. Maybe it's just because home is so short and it just wants to be the same size as everyone else. What? Lol. Love it. No, because it was there before this. Look. Still there. Still doing the weird stuff. I don't even have a TikTok. I hear it's very addictive, so I've never gone on. Never made an account. Also, I kind of hate like the format. Ugh. Like what people do. Like they have like the computer voices like, apparently if you use this filter, you turn into a dog, you know? That's not funny. You're watching a YouTuber that had his Facebook deleted for dark jokes and ranted how there is a fake account with an avatar as an old woman with her titties out, still running today. You reported that image and Facebook told you there's nothing wrong with that account. Wow, interesting. Then you hate TikTok as well. Why do you hate it, out of curiosity? Ugh. I can't even use Instagram anymore. It used to be good content and now it's just... And it's not even around creating content anymore. It's just about consuming content. You know what I'm saying? I deleted Reddit and Instagram off my phone today, actually, because I was like, I'm wasting too much goddamn time with this. It was cool. It was a good time in my life. Now I have to actually do productive stuff like code and read books. Wow. Now you live in the EU, there are rules here so you can't just go around doing bad stuff. Have to build a good rep. Then do it under like a what is it called? Like a shadow name or like something. I don't know how to say words. Hey Zyke, thanks for the follow. Do it under a... God, there's a word for it. What is it called? What is it called? A fake name, a pseudonym, something like that. You hate how much time you waste for brain dead entertainment. Retweet. Same. You don't like the format on TikTok, and thus the content is not for you. So you just don't like it, the swipey stuff, or like, is that what's up? It's not the content itself, or you don't like how it's like lip syncing.
Can't change license.
It's like we got a little off track. But this is an online talking dictionary for a Native American language, just to keep the language alive. So I can show you one of the entries. It should work here. So like this one, for example. Hold up. I'm turning up the sound. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can. Here it is. So you can see how it's spelled. You can hear how the elder says it. And then you see how it's pronounced in IPA and what the translation is. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Except we were trying to do an update request for 2 weeks. I never got it working. And today I was just like, you know what? I just got to take a little break from that. So, yep. What's a PWA? You remember seeing when I added the soundbar? Yeah, way back when. Bad hacker rip is cool and edgy, indeed. They are deleted. Progressive web app. What is a progressive web app? Why don't I know that? They're not here. Look. Oh, hello. Look at us. Look, they're not here. I cut them out, just for you. But also, we still haven't figured out what's up with this home thingamajigger. And this is a different page. That has media queries still. But like, what is up with the weird space? Nothing else has space except for this one. A web app with the look and feel of a native app. So like a what's it called? Phone, mobile app. Yeah. I thought about doing mobile first design and then I didn't, and so that's where we're at. You know what I can do it as? I can go through and get rid of all the media queries on all the pages. I could do that. I haven't done that yet. It's still a website. Can I code a site like this? Huh. I probably could. I don't know how to, but how funky. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. I have heard conflicting opinions about mobile first design at us. This is a funny website. I like it. But also so many pictures for like every part of this. All right. But I already didn't do it mobile first. I already didn't do it that way. You can. Just as long as it's not copyrighted music, I can play it. Or copyrighted content, I should say. Fine, look at this. Are you happy now? Are you happy at us? We're getting rid of the media queries. All for you. Look at this. We're scrolling through time and deleting time. Wait, is it a, wait a second, let me look at it. Oh, this is not a Patreon music video. Great. Let's look at it. I would like to know. web app look like on a computer? Alright, hidden intruder. We'll watch yours as well. But if I already designed it, how am I supposed to go mobile first? What is this?
Loaf, 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 loaf.
What? What did we just
Loaf.
watch?
Loaf, 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 loaf.
Wait, I'm so confused. What? What? Wait, what is the difference between a progressive web app and a mobile first app? We all are. Well, solidarity, I can say words. What? Yes, but what is a loaf cat? Is it secretly bred? Cat bread? Oh my goodness, that sounds really nasty actually. Yuck. What is my hair doing? Offline support, background sync, geofencing. Whoa. Oh, I see. How interesting. A service worker? Wait, so like is this like a technology you make it with? Psych? Loaf. It's still JavaScript? Yo. Right. But that's not what this is, huh? I feel like I'm confused about this. What is this video? Is it more loaf cats? No, it's just a cat video. Don't you know we watch bird videos here? Cats. I like how it hides. Y'all remember when we had these? Are there still a thing in computers? Alright. See you later, Hood Intruder. Thank you for the cat videos. Of course, this opened and not the red one. Principals can equally enhance apps. You still have one? I have a laptop now. It's go to sleep. Sleep well. They use modern web capabilities to deliver app-like user experience. Don't break TikTok while learning bad stuff, lol. Or do. We don't like TikTok. For everyone who does like TikTok, no hate. They use modern web capabilities to deliver an app-like user experience. They evolve from pages and browser tabs to immersive top-level apps. I know progressive enhancement. Experiences that combine. Hey, there's a service worker thing you're talking about. So what it's showing me what they look like on not desktop, but what do they look like on desktop? So just being small, they look like an app, like a phone app. On an Opera, who uses Opera? The manifest. Bro, how can I like read stuff and like not absorb any of it? Okay. More native like presence. Full screen mode without a URL bar. You hate reading when you don't understand something. You go to YouTube. You know, that's what I was saying once when I was streaming, and like a more fancy dev was like, yo, you gotta read the fucking documentation, because they helped me with something and they didn't even know what it was, and they figured it out by reading the documentation. And I was like, damn, I guess I have to do that. Ooh. Script that runs in the background. Read docs when you want to know something about the syntax or what params a function takes. That's it. Treats their own, I guess. I've just been chided in the past. Your first offline web app. So what you're saying, Zyke, is that this would look good looking like an app when it's mobile size. Excuse me? Hello? Never mind, I guess I can't do that? Alright. I'm so confused. There we go. But you think it should look like a progressive web app when it's like, I guess I could have literally put like iPhone size or whatever. Yeah. I need to do the hamburger menu. As you can see, it's very not suited for a phone, actually. So, it's kind of like overwhelming how much work like applications take. Like, you have to do the CRUD stuff, and then you have to do the formatting, and then you have to... There's just so much. What you're saying is you make responsive to the T and then add an offline feature to it. Wait, how does that work? It's a service worker, right? So like they could have access to the database and searching without being online? What is happening here? Hello? Hold up. I'm logged out of my Twitch account. Hello? You can cache responses from the server. But like a whole database? Oh, authenticator app, y'all. Alright. Gotta check my phone. Alright, now I'm relogged into Twitch. Why was I logged out? What's up with that? How silly. Well, I'll probably do that. We'll have to work on it. Nah, you're fine. It's good to be like introduced to new stuff, I think. So thank you. I thought about when I first started like designing this, I was like, you know what, I should make it mobile first. And I was like, nah, and that wasn't a good idea. So, here we are. It's biting us in the ass. Yay. Love. So fun. So great. Alright, y'all. I don't know why, but I just feel like really mobile first is a better idea. What if I do mobile first and then I try to make it a progressive web app? Yeah, no, I mean, so if I were to make it mobile first after it's already been like not designed that way, do I just like redesign everything or like what? Like, is that... Can you do that? I mean, you can. Is it, like, a pain in the ass? What's the verdict? Or does it need to be done? Depends. Just make the screen smaller and, like, everything look good. Those are completely unrelated topics. Woof. Wait, what are? The mobile first... Wait. One is just styling. Okay. And the other? The other one is service worker. You can do either one without the... Oh, interesting. Yeah, I feel like I need to learn more about... Okay, alright, Adas. I feel called out. Yes, I should do that. We will do it. We will work for us. Yes, okay. So maybe So I feel like I'm pretty burned out today, so I think we're gonna call it pretty soon and then raid someone and give them some love. But maybe next time, should we work on the update request again, or should we like go ham on this CSS shit? What do y'all think? Maybe we'll just call it based on how I feel, huh? Man, I feel like such a silly person. Normally I go for like 5 hours. I don't know what's up with me today. I don't generally get bored of CSS. I just like, I don't know. I don't feel like my head's in it very, how do I say words? My head's not really in it today, I guess I should say. Maybe it's because I couldn't get that stupid update request to work. It's okay. I'm still bitter. We'll be honest here. I'm still bitter. It's fine. It's fine. But that's fine. Anyway, we could do the CSS next time if it's only going to take that long. And then try and with the update request, the issue there. Reworking how I do the CSS just in the way of like not doing media queries everywhere and just really trying to work with that flex box. The problem with the update was it just didn't work. Like, and I wasn't getting the parameters back to grab the specific ID of the object I was trying to get. That's what was up. But come back next time and you can, we will go further into it because I do need to figure it out. I do. So, right, amazing, great looking CSS. Yes. All right. There's always room to improve. I used to think I was pretty good at CSS, but I'm okay being humble and being like, yeah, I definitely can improve. I did learn Flex relatively recently, so maybe that's what's up here. We all can. Camaraderie. We all can get better. That's the thing about tech. We get better all the time. Always, forever. Alright, y'all. Let's go raid someone. Thanks for being here today and helping me out. And I hope to see you next time. Yeah, indeed. Indeed, Zyke. Everyone, we can always get better and that's okay. That is a good thing. Alright, y'all. I'll see you later.